due course.
Athletes in Laikipia and Nyandarua counties have called on Athletics Kenya to empower more female coaches as they are better placed to deal with issues affecting female athletes. Additionally, the athletes led by marathoner Mary Wachera also noted that races in the central region have dwindled down. Yet they play a big role in boosting athletes' morale. Her sentiments were echoed by 800 meters specialist Collins Kipruto, who has encouraged more grassroots forums.
They raised issues about races. For example, there are so many races that used to happen here in central Kenya. They have been cancelled, or they died, or whatever happened, we don't know. We want to know what happened to them, because through these races, that is how we are able to encourage our athletes.
Huku chini hakuna motivation kama hiyo sasa ya kuwa na kuarrange maneno na athletics meeting ama Athletics Kenya series event. Ni vitu vingine tofauti sana. Unaona mtu wakimbiaji ni wengi na kupea motivation ni wachache wanapata motivation, na wakimbiaji ni wengi, so wale wengine wanakufa moyo. Ombi langu ni kwamba Athletics Kenya hizi issues na race waweze kuachipikia, waweze waja wasiwe wanachukua hizi questionnaires bila matendo.
Wayne Fernandez and Nisha Pandya will be looking to take measured risks in a bid to challenge their race adversaries at Sunday's Guru Nanak Autocross 9, which heads to Twisty Corners racetrack in